Assalamualaikum guys, I am Arki. In the previous video we have learnt about assignment operators, and in this video we will learn about logical operators. So logical operators are used to operate on logic, that means operate on conditions. As we have a slight idea about if else, we know that we give a condition, we provide a condition to an if statement, and if the condition is true, the block below that if statement will be executed. So we can operate on those conditions using these logical operators. Let's see how we can do that. First we will understand what are these operators, and, or, and not, and understand their basic working. So let's get started. So we'll just create an if statement. So we'll have two conditions, A and B. So let A equals to true and B equals to false. So if we use AND operation between two conditions, then this condition will only be satisfied if both A and B are true. If one is true and one is false, as in our case, the condition will be false. We will see it. If the condition is true, let's print condition satisfied, and we will add as block not satisfied. So basically this means that if A and B both are true, then only this condition will be satisfied. Otherwise it won't be satisfied. So let's see what it prints. So as we can see, not satisfied has been printed. If we are using AND operator between two conditions, then the overall condition will only be satisfied when both the conditions are true. Otherwise it won't. Let's assign true to B and let's run it again. So as you can see, condition satisfied is printed. If both are true, then only the condition will be satisfied, otherwise not. Let's copy this and paste it in the, let's change this AND to OR. When we use OR between two conditions, either of two condition must be true, either one of two condition must be true. It is not a compulsion that both must true, and if both are true, then also the condition is satisfied, but at least one condition must be true. So let's assign false to B and let's run our program. Let's write AND here, and OR here, just to understand which output belongs to which line. So as you can see, when we use OR, if one of the condition is false, it doesn't matter, the condition will be satisfied, the overall condition will be satisfied. And in the case of AND, both needs to be true. Not satisfied is printed as B is assigned to false. But in the case of OR, if we assign false to both the conditions, that means if both the conditions are false, then OR will not satisfy. For using the condition for OR is either one of these conditions must be true to satisfy the condition, and not is used to reverse the condition. Let's again assign true to A. Not operator is a bit different. Not operator is used to reverse the effect of any condition. That means if it satisfies, then not operator will make it not satisfy, and if it doesn't satisfy, then not operator will make it satisfy. Let's see. it. So we'll write, okay, we will paste the previously copied if block, and we'll write here not and not. So let me just get a new terminal. So if we add a not operator before any condition, then it will totally reverse its effect. While using AND operator, we will only satisfy this condition if both the conditions are true. If both separate conditions are true, both A and B are true, then only the whole condition will be satisfied, and then only this block will be printed. But in the case of not, this will be reversed. That means this condition will be satisfied even if there is one true and one false. Let's run code in terminal. So you can see, while we use AND block, we are getting not satisfied, and when we use not, when we are getting condition satisfied, because this not operator just reverse the effect of original operator. And let's just assign both values true. Let's just make both the conditions true, and let's now see the effect of not. So as you can see, in the block, in the if block of AND, we are getting condition satisfied, and where we use not, we are getting condition not satisfied. So hope you have understood that not will always reverse the condition in the parentheses. That is it for the video, guys. Hope you find it helpful. We have discussed logical operator in decent detail. See you in the next one.